Hi friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today I thought I would compare my Goyard St. Pierre wallet and my Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday, as well as I make shorts every other day. So if you like that kind of content and want to see more of me, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So if you're not new to my channel, you already know that I love the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. And this type of wallet really just resonates with my lifestyle. So I thought, why not compare both of the popular wallets that Goyard and Louis Vuitton offers in one short video? So that way, if you're contemplating between the two options, you'll be able to figure out which one you want by the end of this video. So starting with the Goyard St. Pierre card wallet, I currently have the version with the Goyardine canvas in black, but it does come in multiple colors like blue, green, yellow, red, you name it. They most likely have the color. But I went with the black option just because I wanted it to be sleek because it is my first Goyard piece. On the inside, it does feature some smooth calfskin leather, and you do have 3 card slots on either side with 2 pockets on either side as well. And then you have a slip pocket for what you can put as bills or receipts, but you will have to fold them. And there is no back pocket or exterior pocket. At the time of purchase, I did pay around 800 Canadian dollars, I want to say. We do not have a Goyard boutique here in Canada, so the closest one to me is in New York City. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe I paid around 700 USD, so around 800 Canadian or 900 Canadian, give or take. So it is substantially more expensive than the Louis Vuitton pocket organizers. Moving on to the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. This one is one of the new ones that I just recently unboxed on my channel. It is the Louis Vuitton iridescent pocket organizer in this black color. It is in the monogram coated canvas for the exterior and then does have calfskin leather interior. You'll notice right away that the interior structure of the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer is slightly different to the Goyard, as you only have 3 card slots here. You do have a card slot here, however, I don't find it quite useful. You do have another slot here for a card, one more here, and then you do have those 2 same flat pockets that the Goyard has. And then it does not have a bill slot, but it does come with an exterior pocket. I find that this pocket is my favorite. I always put my most predominant card there, and it just gives it easy access. And this Louis Vuitton pocket organizer does retail for 640 Canadian dollars, but they can go as much as $1,000 for the basic ones. And then if you get into exotic territory, we're talking about thousands of dollars. So there are a different variety and prints for the pocket organizer similar to the Goyard. And again, here is just a quick view of what they look like side by side again. This is the back. This is the top. The Goyard one I do find is a little bit more thicker. That's what they look like. Interior. And here's what the back looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I make videos every Friday as well as shorts every other day. So if you like my content and want to see more, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.